Hello guys, hello everyone, hello lovely students. How are you? Are you good? Are you great? Are you happy? Okay, hope you are doing well. For today we have a new topic which is questions with B. Questions with B. امروش توپیکی کی تازه من هیا اویش برسر کردن به verb be. برسر کردن به بکارهنانی verb be. Okay, look at here. She is sad. She is sad. As we mentioned in the previous lesson, we use the verb be with adjective that describe how we feel. That describe how we feel. وەک لەوانەی پێشووتر باسمان کرد ئێمە verb be لەگەڵ adjective بەکارهێنین بۆ دەربڕینی هەستەکانمان. For example, she is sad. بۆ نمونە ئەو کچە خەمبارە. He is cold. ئەو کوڕە سەرمایەتی. I am happy. من دڵخۆشم. Okay, but today we want to ask questions. We want to ask questions. When we want to ask questions, we have to change the word order. For example, we have to put the verb be at the beginning of the sentence, then the subject pronoun, after that the adjective. But don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. گوڵەکانم لەوانەی پێشوو باسی چیمان کرد باسی ئەومان کرد کە verb be بەکارهێنی لەگەڵ adjective بۆ دەربڕینی هەستەکانمان. بەڵام ئەمڕۆ ئەمانەوێت باسی چی بکەین؟ چۆن پرسیار بکەین. من دڵنیانیم لەوەی کە ئایا ئەو کچە خەمبارە یان نا. پێویستە پرسیار بکەم لەبارەیەوە. لەو کاتەیە چی ئەکەین؟ ڕیزبەندی وشەکانە گۆڕین. پێویستە verb-یەکە لە سەرەتای ڕستەکەیدا دانین، دواتر subject pronoun-ەکە دانین، و لە کۆتاییشدا چی دانین؟ سات دانین. بەڵام لەبەرەوەی ئەمە پرسیارە پێویستە question mark. واتە علامەتی پرسیار لە کۆتاییەکەیدا دانین. Okay. Now look at these questions. ئێستاش سەیری ئەم پرسیارانە بکەن. The first one. Am I happy? Am I happy? من دڵخۆشم. Okay, we have to put the verb be at the beginning of the sentence, then the subject pronoun, after that the adjective. And we have a question mark too. Look at the second one. Are you sad? Are you sad? Okay. آیا تو خەمباریت؟ آیا تو خەمباریت؟ من پرسیار لە تۆکەم. Okay, we have to put the verb be at the beginning of the sentence, then our subject pronoun, after that the adjective. And we have a question mark too. Are you sad? Okay, the next one. We use is with he, she and it. Is لەگەڵ کیا بەکارهێنی؟ he, she, it. Okay. Is he cold? Is he cold? ئایا ئەو کوڕە سەرمایەتی؟ Okay, we have to put is at the beginning of the sentence, then the subject pronoun, after that the adjective. And we have a question mark too. Is he cold? Look at the next one. Is she hot? Is she hot? أو كتشا جرماتي. Okay. Is it hungry? Is it hungry? أشغلك برسيتي أني مالك برسيتي. Okay. Are we thirsty? Are we thirsty? The next one. Are you angry? Are you angry? Okay. The last one. Are they happy? Are they happy? Are they happy? Okay. Okay. These are called yes/no questions. These are called yes/no questions. Amana pianotred yes/no question akan. Why? Because when we ask question by using the verb be, we have to answer with yes or no. Amana pianotred yes/no question akan لبر away كاتك برسيارة كين ب verb be بيستا يان بيز ولان بينوا يان بنو. پێویستە یان بەیەز وەڵام بینەوە یان بنەوە. Okay, look at the first one. Am I happy? Am I happy? من دڵخۆشم. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. بەڵێ من دڵخۆشم. or I can say no I'm not. No I'm not. من برسال لخومكم دل خوشم هر خوشم والله خومه ما yes بله دل خوشم yes I am يعني no I'm not نخير دل خوش نیم. Look at the second one. Are you sad? Are you sad? تو خنباريت. Okay. Yes you are. Yes you are. بله تو خنباريت. Or we can say no you aren't. No you aren't. نخير تو خنبار نيت. اگر بپیکنین و سیرم که منی جالم no you aren't. نخير تو خنبار نيت. The third one. Is he cold? Is he cold? كرة سرمايتي. Yes he is. Yes he is. بله سرمايتي. Or you can also say no he isn't. No he isn't. وعتنا خير سرماينية. Okay. The next one. Is she hot? Is she hot? كتشك جرماتي. Yes she is. بله جرماتي. Yes she is. We can also say no she isn't. No she isn't. أجر كتشك جرماينا به we have to say no she isn't. نخير جرماينية. Okay, the next one. Is it hungry? Is it hungry? عجلة كمو عجلة لما لوهتا. برسيتي. Yes it is. واتا بلا برسيتي. No it isn't. واتا نخير برسينية. No it isn't. Okay, the next one. Are we thirsty? Are we thirsty? أمتينو معنا. Yes we are. Yes we are. بلا تينو معنا. No we aren't. No we aren't. واتا نخير متينو مانية. The next one. Are you angry? Are you angry? توران. Yes you are. Yes you are. بله توران. No you aren't. No you aren't. واتا نخير تورانين. The last one. Are they happy? Are they happy? أوان بالخوشن. Yes they are. Yes they are. بله بالخوشن. Or you can say no they aren't. أجر بالخوشيش نبن أبي بليد no they aren't. Okay, dear kids, look at here. Here we have short form. لراتي منها short form منها. Okay, look at the first one. The letter A disappear. Okay, we have an apostrophe instead of that letter A, and it sounds like I'm not. I am not. We can't say I am not. I am not because we have an apostrophe, so we should say I'm not. Look at the second one. You aren't. The letter O disappear, and we have an apostrophe instead of that letter O, and it sounds like aren't. Aren't. Okay. The next one. The letter O disappear, and we have an apostrophe instead of that letter O, and it sounds like isn't. Isn't. Okay, dears, did you get it? Excellent. Now let me ask you some questions. استشبعتم برسالك تعلبكم. Okay. Is she happy? Is she happy? Excellent. Yes, she is. Another one. Are they cold? Are they cold? Amazing. No, they aren't. Okay. Is he happy? Is he happy? Amazing. Yes, he is. Are you sad? Are you sad? Amazing. Did you get it? Excellent. Dear kids, now open your grammar friend book, page number 14. Page number 14. Okay, look at this exercise. Write the correct form of be. write the correct form of be. Forma rasta ki verb be بنوسه. It means if we have she, we have to write is. If we have we have to write are. Okay, look at the first one. Is he sad? Is he sad? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Okay, we should write is. Let's go to the second one. Are they happy? Are they happy? No, they excellent aren't. No, they aren't. We should write aren't because we have no. No, they aren't. Okay, let's go to the third one. Are they cold? Are they cold? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay, the next one. Is she happy? Is she happy? No, she isn't. No, she isn't. We should write isn't. Okay. Buchi isn't a nusin. Buchi na nusin is because we have no. Because we have no. Liberate no man here. We have to say no, she isn't. Okay, dears, now you can write it down. Dear kids, look at this exercise. Write questions. Write questions. Wata persiar benusa. Okay, look at the first one. I am tired. I am tired. Okay. When we want to ask a question, we have to write the verb be at the beginning of the sentence, then the subject pronoun, after that the adjective, tired. Am I tired? Am I tired? And don't forget to write the question mark at the end of the question. Okay? Now let's go to the second one. You're sad. You're sad. Okay, first of all, we have to write the verb be, which is are. We should write are. Okay, then we have to write you. Then we have to write the subject pronoun, which is you. Okay. Then we have to write the adjective, which is sad. Are you sad? Are you sad? Okay. And we have a question mark at the end. Question mark. Look at the third one. She's happy. She is happy. First of all, we have to write the verb be, which is. We should write is. Then we have to write the subject pronoun, which is she. Okay. Then we have to write the adjective, which is happy. Is she happy? Is she happy? Okay. Now let's go to the fourth one. It's cold. It's cold. Okay, we have to write the verb be at the beginning of the sentence, which is. Then we should write it, the subject pronoun. After that, we have to write cold. Is it cold? Is it cold? Okay, let's go to the next one. We're thirsty. We're thirsty. Okay. The verb be is are, so we should write are at the beginning of the sentence. Then we have to write we, the subject pronoun, and we should write thirsty. Are we thirsty? Are we thirsty? Okay, now let's go to the fifth one. He is angry. He is angry. First of all, we have to write is, the verb be, then he, the subject pronoun, after that angry, our adjective. Is he angry? Is he angry? Okay, let's go to the last one. They're hot. They're hot. Okay, our verb to be is are, so we should write are. Then the subject pronoun, which is they. And the adjective, which is hot. Okay, are they hot? Are they hot? Okay, dears, now you can write it down. Dear kids, look at this exercise, please. Write questions, answer them. Write questions, answer them. Okay, look at here. We have a picture and we have a subject pronoun with an adjective. Okay, we have to use these words to ask questions, and we have to answer according to the picture. Okay, dears, look at here. When we want to ask a question, okay, we need a verb be and a subject pronoun and an adjective. Okay, we have he and happy. We have to use is with he. So first of all, we should write is, then he. Is he happy? Is he happy? Okay, look at the picture. Is he happy? Yes, he is. He's laughing. Okay, we should write yes, he is. Yes, he is. Now look at the second one. We have they and happy. Okay, we have to use are with they. That is why we should write are they. Are they happy? Okay, are they happy? Look at the picture. They're sad. That is why we have to say no, they aren't. No, they aren't. So write no, they aren't. Okay, now let's go to the third one. We have they with hot. Okay, look at them. When we want to ask a question, first of all, we have to write a verb be. Okay, we should use are with they. That is why we have to write are. Okay, then our subject pronoun, which is they. Are they? Our adjective is hot. Are they hot? Are they hot? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. So you should write yes, they are. Okay, now let's go to the fourth one. We have she with angry. Okay, we should write is at the beginning of the question. Okay, then she. Is she angry? Is she angry? Look at the picture. Is she angry? She's laughing. So we have to say no, she isn't. No, she isn't. So write no, she isn't. Okay, now let's go to the last one. Okay, we have they with thirsty. Okay, we should use are with they. So are, okay, are they thirsty? Are they thirsty? Okay, look at the picture. They want to drink juice. It means that they're thirsty. So, are they thirsty? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. So, we have to write yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay, dears, now you can write it down. If you have any question, you can ask. Bye bye. See you.